What's up, everybody? It's race day. We're out here at Argyll Raceway. Got my nephew Deegan Willingham getting ready to start his first heat. He's on the line. Number 141.
I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't nothing.
All right, we're getting ready for Deegan's second heat. It's cold. It's cold. They're getting ready. It's gonna be coming through. Here we go. Second heat. What's up, dude? How was that? Did you get that guy in the green? Just couldn't get around him? No?
You were so close, I thought you were gonna get him.
Yeah, you could have had him. You were faster. You were way faster.
She's holding you up.